guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today I am unboxing a giveaway that I won over on Instagram. I follow on Instagram Ann Whitney, and they were doing a giveaway of beauty products here, and I entered and I won. So I have this whole box full of goodies from Ann Whitney here that I'm gonna unbox. So if that sounds good to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, I would love it if you consider subscribing. I upload new videos twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you again on the channel for all things makeup. Okay, so first of all, thank you, Anne, so much for hosting this giveaway. I'm on a low buy right now. I say as my last video was the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty haul that I spent on, but this is going to make it a lot easier, I feel like, for me to keep with my low buy because I'm gonna have some new goodies to play with regardless, and that's gonna help me because part of my low buy, I don't know if I told you guys, but I knew I was trying to save money because I was applying to college to go back to school for my doctorate, and I just found out since my last video that I got accepted, so I'm gonna be paying tuition again. And yeah, that's part of my low buy, is just, you know, we all have different things we have to prioritize financially sometimes. So, to the unboxing, we've got this box here. I'm going to show you everything that's in it. So, first of all, the first thing that grabs my eye here is this Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector, Illuminator, and Camouflage. This is body makeup. I have heard of Westmore Beauty, but never tried anything, so I am really curious to try this out. Yeah, I feel like especially with summer coming up, this is going to be a great product. Next up, the big thing that I see in here, this is huge, from Youth to the People, which I have tried before, but I don't think I've tried this particular product. This is their Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. This is huge. This is gonna last me so long. So this is amazing to have, like, clearly a full-size cleanser there with a pump. Super excited to try that out. Oh, there's a card, you guys. That's so sweet. Just have a little card. Oh, it's such a cutie little thing with flowers. And it's just from Anne saying thank you for supporting me on Instagram. I love little moments like these. Just little special touches are so nice. So thank you again. This is super exciting. Let's see here. I'm going to try to get things out here. We've got from Covergirl a mascara I have not tried. This is the Lash Blast Super Cloud Mascara in Super Black. This says it's going to be weightless length, light as air lift. Ooh, I'm curious to try this because my lashes do like to fall. Even with a good curl. Ooh, okay, she sent me some samples here. I love a good sample, you guys. We've got a couple fragrances. Ooh, the Huda Beauty powders. I've been wanting to try, especially Cherry Blossom and Pound Cake. I've heard so much about these, so that's super exciting. And then from Covergirl, their Clean Invisible Foundation. Interesting. All things I haven't tried, so that's exciting. Okay, next up I see in here from Beekman, which is a brand I've heard of, but I don't think I've tried, this fragrance-free goat milk body soap. Goat milk, say less. Say less. I'm super excited for that. This is from the brand Hemp's Stardust Shimmer Stick in Passion Fruit and Wild Orchid. I don't know. It says hydrate and illuminate. Highlight and define with this illuminating stick. Interesting. Ooh, for body and face. Okay, so it's like a highlighter situation. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's going to be like an icy color, I think. That's fun. I love icing, like icy highlighters anyway, like on the collarbones. Again, another one I feel like in summer I'm going to use a lot. Okay, what else do we have? There's so much here, you guys. From ISOI, I don't know, ISOI, I've never heard of this brand. The Blemish Care Up Serum. Okay, this looks like, maybe it's like a Korean brand because I'm just seeing what looks like Korean on the bottle here. Interesting. I definitely, with my cycle, have times that I flare up with acne, that I can use that during those times. Peach Slices, another brand I've heard of, but I don't think I've tried anything from. Snail Rescue Blemish Busting Toner. Ooh, toners. Say less. Again, I love toners. I'm loving the skincare brands that I'm going to get an opportunity to try in here, because some of these are new to me. Okay, makeup. We have multiple Morphe things in here, and this is like their, I don't know if they're under new owners or like just new branding, but I've been wanting to try these, you guys. I really have. I have been good and not bought like the Patrick Ta little things. I did get a couple that they have 2 in there, not 3, from Glaminatrix, but this is their version of the Cheek Thrills in shade Blind Date. Oh, so cool. And it has the little like cover thing to cover the cream at the top. So there's a cream blush, there is more of a shimmery powder blush, and then a matte blush powder at the bottom. So I am super excited to try these formulas. Let me know makeup wise too if there's anything that you want to see me try on that I could put on and do, I don't know, just like a testing new to me makeup. Obviously these are all things that are out now and released, but I would love to test them out for you if you're curious about how they perform. Okay, and then I have another one. This is also a blush, but this is in shade After Party instead, but it's another Cheek Thrills. I don't know, we'll see what it looks like when I get it open here. The box is pretty tight here. Use my tweezers. I don't know if I'll be able to pull this one off maybe as a bronzer. Let's see, because it is, at least on the outside, looking pretty toasty. Ooh, I don't know. It's probably still a blush with this shade. Same format of cream, shimmer, and then matte powder on the bottom. Ooh, this would be, I feel like it's very sparkly, like blush topper almost, like almost borderline highlightery, and then you can peel the sticker and have a meal. A meal? What am I saying? Peel the sticker and have a mirror. Goodness, you can tell I have not had my caffeine intake for today, for sure. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm super excited about those because those have been on my wish list. Okay, what's this? This is also from Morphe. This is, ooh, Cloudlight Soft Glow Veil. I think this is like an illuminating powder, like a finishing powder, which is really exciting. I do have one of the Hourglass Ambient Lighting powders. I'm curious to see how this compares. This says it's beige with balancing yellow in shade Sunrise. I think that would work for me though as a powder. That's really pretty. Okay, I have to touch it. Oh, it's so, wow. That is so soft to the touch, guys. Wow. Okay. Gotta say, so far, I don't know, like I said, if it's new owners or just rebranding or what of Morphe, but I'm interested. I'm intrigued. I want to try things from them. Okay, and then the last thing in here is this little makeup baggie full of goodies. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. We've got, from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum. I've tried other things from Glow Recipe and I do really like that line, so that's nice. Ooh, from Benefit, the Fan Fest Fanning and Volumizing Mascara. This little like travel size has also been on my Ulta Beauty wish list, so that's exciting for me to get to try something that I already knew I wanted to try anyway. Let's see, we've got Grown Alchemist. This is the Polishing Facial Exfoliant. I am combo skin and I do use tretinoin, so I definitely sometimes need like a physical or chemical exfoliant to help that top layer renew itself, so that will get put to good use for sure. Ooh, okay, this is wrapped. What do we have here? K-Voss Pixie Powder. Interesting. What do we have? Oh, it looks just like a setting powder. Cool. We'll definitely use a pressed setting powder. Maybe I'll use that one for travel because I do like to have little things like that for travel. Ooh, a couple more Morphe things I see in here. This is the 16 Hour Mini Bake and Set Setting Powder in shade Brightening Pink. Oh, again, this is just perfect because, I mean, they didn't even know that some of these products I've been eyeing. I've been wanting to try a pink powder and do like that kind of draped, blushy looking look with pink powder. So Brightening Pink, perfect, like things I wanted to try anyway, regardless of, you know, outside of a giveaway. And then this is the Sunset Cloud Light Soft Glow Veil Cocoa with Balancing Orange. This one's a little bit deeper of the same, I think, powder that I showed you before. This one maybe I can use as like more of a bronzer topper or something like that, with it being a little more deep or tan than I am, but I'll try it out to see like what uses I could have that for. And if not for the face, like I said, I do like a little like bronzy glow on the collarbone in the summer. It's super fun. Not one, but two of the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotions. I've got mine in shade 904 Deep Glow and 905 Rich. So obviously deep for the face, but I have heard people say that these mixed with a moisturizer or a lotion is great on the legs when you're in, you know, shorts and swimwear season. So I have a plan and an idea for these for sure. And then last but not least, we have from Ofra, a brown eyeliner. It has been years since I've tried anything from Ofra. I didn't even recognize this packaging as Ofra because, ironically, I'm wearing an Ofra lip liner today, but this is how they used to do their packaging, like this, like black cap, black body here. And it doesn't even say like a big Ofra brand. It's like so small here that it says Ofra Cosmetics, versus this one, more like silver, and it's got Ofra like really big there. So yeah, I will definitely use an eyeliner in brown, absolutely. But yeah, guys, that is the giveaway. That's everything I got. I am super thrilled and excited. Like I said, this is just amazing, not only to get a giveaway, but of all of these things that some of them were actually already on my wish list, and that I was like, oh, I wanted to try that. That just makes it even better. So thanks again if you made it to the end. Again, let me know in the comments, what would you like to see me try, or have you tried any of these? I would love to hear it in the comments below, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.